Hey guys, welcome back to Basant Kitchen. Today we're gonna do a really cool recipe. We are doing shrimp and chicken jalfrezi. It's my mom's favorite recipe. She told me I have to do it, so guess what? We're doing it Basant style. So we're gonna do this recipe in 4 parts. First, we're gonna make the marinade. Second, we're gonna fry the chicken. Third, we're gonna make the base. And fourth, we're gonna finish the product. It's gonna be awesome. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna start off with the ingredients. Don't worry, I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the description below after I'm done with the recipe. So let's get started. We have 1.5 cups of oil. We have about 2 cups of tomato puree, 2 cups whipped yogurt, cubed onions, 2 mediums. We have garlic ginger paste, lemon juice, black pepper, salt, turmeric, red jumbo chili. Shrimp, about 2 pounds, 16-20 count. Bell peppers, we have orange, yellow, green, and red. 6 pounds Thai meat, cut and clean and washed. Guys, let's get started. I'm excited to make this recipe. Let's have fun. The chicken is in the bowl. Let's get the marinade ready. So we're gonna start with red chili, 1 tablespoon. We're gonna do black pepper. Salt, 1 tablespoon, and black pepper, 1 tablespoon. We have turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Switch to garlic ginger paste, my favorite. 4 tablespoons, like nice hefty ones. I really like this, so doesn't matter. And we're gonna do lemon juice, 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, and the 5th one for luck. Guys, let's get started. Let's make sure we mix as good as we can so everything gets mixed. And now we're gonna let it sit for about 2 hours, and then we're gonna get the base ready. And we just gently add the chicken out. Watch out for that. Very interesting. So what the trick is that we're gonna grill the chicken here or saute it, and we're gonna take it out and then we're gonna make the base. And after that, we're gonna add the vegetables and the chicken and we're gonna finish. Simple recipe and you guys are gonna love it. Basant style. While we have the chicken cooking in the pot, what we're gonna do is we're gonna marinate the shrimp, but very slightly. We put like half a teaspoon of oil, a pinch. When I say a pinch, because it's gonna get the main flavor from the masala that we're making. Red chili, a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. What we're gonna do with the shrimp is we're gonna cook it in a pan separately because you can't overcook it. And once everything is cooked, then we're gonna add it to the mix. This way, shrimp's gonna have an awesome flavor and they're not gonna be all dried up and really tiny. Little trick, but it's gonna make an amazing difference. So let's get started, guys. It's gonna be awesome. So the chicken is completely done. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out so it doesn't overcook, and we're gonna finish the base. We're gonna add tomato puree and the whipped yogurt, and once the oil is separated there, we're gonna add chicken, vegetables, and the shrimp, and jalfrezi is ready. This trick makes all the difference. The consistency and the texture of the meat is always gonna be perfect. So now we add tomato puree and saute it really good. And after that, we're gonna add yogurt. Make sure it's whipped. And once the oil separates here, hard part is over. We add the meat, vegetables, and we're good to go. So we take the 2 cups of yogurt. Make sure it's whipped really good because you don't want any lumps in the gravy. Just mix it in. From now, the biggest step that we have to watch is we have to dry it out really good. You don't want any water, you want the oil separated. We're waiting for the masala to be done. What we're gonna do is in about 3 tablespoons of oil, we're gonna saute the vegetables. Make sure the oil gets really hot. We're gonna do a rough saute, so they're not overcooked, but they're cooked a little before they get in the pot. So check it out, it's an awesome step, you're gonna love it. Okay. Let the vegetables in. Just a rough saute, not a big so they have a little crisp on them. thing with the onions. Just a rough saute. And then they're gonna go in the pot. Alright guys, this is the most important step on this entire recipe. The masala has to separate from the oil, because if this doesn't happen, you're gonna have that raw, watery tomato taste in your entire dish. And you don't want that, because that's definitely not Basan style. So let's grill the shrimp, add the chicken, vegetables, and finish it. We're gonna lay the shrimp down. You're gonna cook it very lightly, a few seconds on each side. You don't wanna overcook it. Has like a little bit of seasoning that we put in, and the rest of it is gonna come from the masala that we just made. And it's gonna be awesome. So we flip them. They're cooking perfectly. And we're gonna take them off, because the shrimp, even if after you take them off the pan, they're gonna keep cooking. So you have to account for that too, because you don't want rubbery, overcooked shrimp. So masala is awesome, chicken is awesome. The shrimp, star of this dish, has to look hot. Just have to let them rest. And they're gonna go in the pot in the end. You guys can see the oil is completely separated. I'm gonna tell you a cool thing, because oil has done its job. Masala is cooked. You don't need it in your pot. So what you do, and what I do, is I just drain it out. And it makes so much better if you don't have like a half a cup of oil in it. We have the oil out of the masala. We're gonna add chicken back to it. And we're gonna mix it and let it cook for a little. Look at the color. The coolest thing is we don't have any excess oil, so all you taste is awesomeness. The chicken has married the masala really good. You can see by the oil. You add the veggies, and guys, chicken jalfrezi is ready. The masala is gorgeous. The texture of chicken is perfect. Color of vegetables. And it smells amazing in here. I wish you guys were here to try it. But most importantly, for my mom, I think she's gonna give me 10 out of 10. Now, let's get plated. Jalfrezi is plated. Now it's time to add the shrimp. The cool trick about this is you don't put them in the masala. You add them right on top. So if somebody doesn't like shrimp or they don't want to eat shrimp, they don't have to. But who doesn't like jumbo shrimp? I am totally in love with how my dish came out. It looks gorgeous, it smells gorgeous, and the shrimp is just taking it over the top. We have our jalfrezi plated. Gonna garnish it with a little dry parsley. Look at that. It is as gorgeous as it gets. Jalfrezi is plated, gorgeous color, perfect shrimp. We have the sides ready. We have basmati rice. We have naans. This is as good as it gets, guys. My mom taught me this recipe. I had a great time making it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share my videos. You guys are awesome, and I'm gonna get you guys next time.